Hello everyone. So I'm going to show you guys how to make lumpia. It's very simple. I don't use measurements, but I will put measurements on screen for y'all. So what you guys need is finely chopped carrots. You'll also be needing finely chopped onions and finely chopped cilantro. Make sure to just, not the stems, just the leaves. Then you'll be needing ground pork. You'll also be needing salt. So the next thing you'll be needing is oyster sauce. Any oyster sauce, like any brand, will work. You can find this in Asian markets. The next thing you'll be needing is mamacitas. This, I know for a fact that it's like in Filipino markets. I don't know. You probably can find it in Asian markets too. The next thing you'll be needing is spring roll pastry. And also, I forgot to film this part, but you need flour. Flour. So what we're gonna do is we put all the ingredients together and you're gonna mix, hollow. And once you get that done, you can put the salt and the oyster sauce and the mamacitas. And you want to put that in the refrigerator for a little bit or overnight before you put them in the rolls. Once that is done, you can take it out, and that's when you put the flour, and then you mix the flour into the mix and everything. So we have two ways of rolling these lumpias. So this is the first one. You kind of put them in triangles, just cut in half. I prefer 2 sheets over just one, just because I like that crunch. So yeah, you put some of the meat inside. You don't want to put too much, just a good amount so it fully cooks and everything. Yeah, so what you want to do is roll it once, you can see on the screen, and then you fold the sides in and then you roll it. And then you also want a water bowl right next to you because you'll be needing water to make it stick. The next kind of how you can roll these lumpias is you can just use the whole sheet and you just put, a line of the meat and everything, and then you just roll, and you can cut this in like little fun size little lumpias, basically what you would probably see at like a Filipino party, and how, so those are the 2 ways. After you want to put them in the freezer overnight. It's best to cook them when they're frozen. You want to cook them in a medium heat. You don't want to do it too low, it'll take forever. Also, you don't want to do it too high, it'll burn. After that, you can enjoy it. I'm pretty sure you can use a air fryer. I haven't tested out yet, but just after you finish cooking, you add some sweet chili sauce. You can also use this ketchup. It's good with ketchup. But yeah, and that's how you guys make lumpia. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe for more, and thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.